Hello everyone, my name is Dakota Stoner, and I am here with another um, Unity project. So, for this project, I'm going to be using root motion to move around my character while doing other various things in the game. So, to start it out, just show off currently what we have. So, if we go into the guns, Vanguard, and Modern Russian AI, here you'll see that we're currently moving around in the world. If we hold shift, we'll sprint. We can jump. So I'm going to be fixing the jump a little bit more so it will be able to um, actually jump over things. Right now the rigid body isn't being moved up, it's just playing the animation. So if we go back and one sec. Alright, so next we have the um, sword and shield. So we have a different animation set that is being played that involves the sword and shield. We have 3 different attacks that the player can do. That's kind of like a chain combo. The player can block and move it up and down, move the shield up and down to block damage. We have a kicking animation, which you can stagger an enemy, and a current power-up animation that will play, and it will be used to give your player more health. But the kick and the power-up will probably be set on a timer, so you can't just spam them. Yeah, so also for this project, I just went and downloaded a free Viking Village because I really liked the aesthetic of it, and I'm probably going to be importing a couple more free scenes just to kind of show off what I'm going for and all of that. Alright, so to jump into it, we have the character animator. Okay, so first one, this is the sword one. So we start out, we have a blend tree here that deals with the idle walking and all of that. So there's all that. So let's actually jump into the code real quick. So to start out, we take vector 3 and we set it to the controls with horizontal and vertical. So when the player presses WASD or any other movement, it will set that vector 3 to whatever that is. Next, we times the input we add speed to the input, so it's not just 1 or anything. And then after that, we go in to we take the animator, and inside the animator, we have a horizontal and vertical float that we set with using the input, which is then used to move the character. So in here, when it's set to, just kidding, when it's set to, it will then move up. And if you notice over here, on the right side, the little red dot will move, and it will then, I don't know how easy it is to see, but it will then start showing that it is blending different animations together depending on what the input is. Let's go set those to 0. So we also have the same thing for running, for when you hold sprint. It sets a boolean to go down to the next blend tree, and it does the same thing. It then sets the animations depending on depending on what the horizontal and vertical is doing. Also on it, like I showed you with the impact, we have the impact animation, which when hit, it will, when hit by the foot, it will play and stagger the player. We have the power up animation, and then we have the different weapon states that when you, like when you right click, you'll have the shield blocking, and then we have the we have a sub-state machine that is used to deal with the combo attacking for the player so they can chain attacks together. And also the kicking, which deals with all that. There's also, one second. Let's go ahead and play the game real quick. Alright, so hit pause. Alright. And then of course we have the other character animator that is set up similar, just has different animations for jumping and different like reloading and all of that. So in here we're using, depending on what key is pressed, to set the booleans and everything to true or false and setting triggers. And I believe that is it for this video. So thank you for watching, and